Hi Jose, this is my first video. I'm very excited. I hope I can explain my points. So we say Turkey has introduced additional custom duties ranging from 10 to 30%. So let's first look at the State Act, the measure. So this is the additional duty on certain products. There's a table. You can see the additional duties. The thing is, actually, in Turkish customs schedule, we have 12-digit codes. So therefore, this list is very big. You see, there are 4 or 5 pages, I guess. Okay. Let me also very briefly explain this table, because most of the state acts, the measures, have a similar format. We have the code, the customs code, the product description, and here we have 8 columns. This number 8 is Turkey's MFN duty to third countries. So the column 7, this is the GSP countries. Number 6, this is the LDC countries. And number 2, 3, and 4, these are different FTA groups. And the first one is the EU countries. You also said whether Turkey and EU has a free trade agreement. Actually, Turkey and EU has a customs union relationship. So in a maybe wider sense, it can be regarded as an FTA, but actually it is a customs union, so it is different. So I prefer to take the EU countries separately from the FTA partners. So Turkey applies this additional duties actually to GSP countries and the third countries equally. And as you see, we have it is between 10%, and I said we have too many 10%, 18%, yeah, 15%, and below we have 30s. But you're right, we don't see in here, we don't see any 10 or 15 or 18%. So let's look at the customs import regime. This is Turkey's applied rates or MFN rates to third countries. So if you also look at the WTO website, this is the Turkey's tariff data. So for these products, actually, you see this column is the applied duty to third countries, and lower rates for GSP countries, and 0% for FTA partners. Okay, so if we, for example, look at this, sorry, let's go back to the previous. Oops. Alright, for example, if we look at this, 39.17.29, okay, under this HS code, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 custom codes, and for all of them we have 10%. So okay, I have highlighted that one. Yeah, these are 39.17.29. So you see we have 6.5 Turkey's applied rates. So after the State Act, we added 10% additionally, and in the end, Turkey's applied duty to third countries is 16.5%. So before the additional duty, it was 6.5%. After the additional duty, it is 16.5%. So actually, this is what I have done here. 6.5%, and then we added 10%, and it made 16.5%. So for this sentence, I agree this is not a very good sentence, and it causes confusion. You're right. Maybe I can, instead of saying Turkey on the original applied tariff rates, instead of that, I can say MFN rates between 0% to 14%, depending on the subject with the third countries. Maybe I can delete this second part, the lower rates for GSP beneficiaries and 0% for FTA partners. I can just say 0 and to 14% MFN duty. Okay. And these additional duties apply to third countries and GSP beneficiaries as an addition to the original customs tariff rates. This is as I explained to you. And the thing that you said, why don't we see 30%? I think this is the most difficult part, and I was also going to ask to you. Actually, this problem arises because of in the Gtah system we have 6-digit HS codes. However, Turkey's measures have 12-digit codes. For example, let's look at one of these 30s. For example, for this HS code 950300. For this HS code, for this tariff code we have 30% additional duty, but for this HS code we have from here. You see, from here to here, we have too many different codes. So when you look at here, we have additional duties of 25, 15, 30. So we have different additional duties for one single HS code. I also, this one is also the Turkey's MFN duty for these tariff lines. So here I made an expert judgment. Probably it's wrong, but I look at here, and it's the most frequent MFN rate was 4.7%, and here the most common actually additional duty was 25%. So for this HS code I took 25%, and I said the applied rate was 4.7%, and we added 25% as an additional duty, and in the end, after the State Act, our new applied duty or MFN duty becomes 29.7%. So here here you can see 4.7%. I added 25%, so the new MFN duty is 29.7%. Yeah, probably this explanation may not be correct, but this is how I thought. And you are right about these official tariff lines. I actually forgot. I know actually you already told me. I added here all these tariff lines by adding commas in between, but I forgot to click here, so I ticked all these boxes. Regarding these boxes, I actually don't remember ticking on these boxes. I may have clicked here, but as I said, I'm not quite sure. So I don't know what I can do for them now. I think these are all the points that you have raised. I will work on the text. I will change it a little bit, and yeah, I will wait for your comments. Thank you. Bye.